Welcome to EMR Physics. I am Raju, NCERT 12th Physics. We are solving the numerical problems given in Chapter 5, Magnetism and Matter. In this video, we are going to see how to solve the book back problem 5.7. This is a given problem. In this problem, magnetic moment of the bar magnet is given, which is 0.48 Joule per Tesla. This is the magnetic moment. What is asked? We have to find the direction and magnitude of the magnetic field at 2 points. The first point is at a distance 10 cm from the center of the magnet on the axis, and the second point is at a distance 10 cm from the center of the magnet on the equatorial line. Now let us see how to solve this problem. In this problem, magnetic moment is given. Magnetic moment M is equal to 0.48 Joule per Tesla. This is the magnetic moment. It is given in this problem. What is asked? We have to find the direction and magnitude of the magnetic field at 2 points. We have to find the magnetic field. That is, we have to find the magnetic field B on the axial line. Let us consider this is a bar magnet. This is South Pole and this is the North Pole. This is the center of the bar magnet. This is the axial line of the bar magnet. That is the axis of the bar magnet. On this axial line, let us consider a point P. This point is at a distance 10 cm from the center. At this point, we have to find the magnetic field. The magnetic field on the axial line is given by the relation B is equal to mu 0 by 2 pi m divided by r cube. For the calculation purpose, this formula can be written as mu 0 by 4 pi 2m by r cube. We are multiplying the numerator and denominator by 2. If you multiply the numerator, this will become as 2m. If you multiply the denominator by 2, we will get 4 pi. We know the value of mu 0 by 4 pi. Mu 0 by 4 pi is mu 0 divided by 4 pi is equal to 10 to the power minus 7 Tesla meter per ampere. We know the value of m and r. What is r? R is 10 cm. This is in CGS unit. So we have to convert this to SI unit. So this is equal to 10 into 10 to the power minus 2 meter, which is 10 into 10 to the power minus 2 can be written as 10 to the power minus 1 meter. So therefore, let us substitute the values. Mu 0 by 4 pi is 10 to the power minus 7. 10 to the power minus 7 into 2 into m is 0.48 divided by r is 10 to the power minus 1. R cube is 10 to the power minus 1 whole cube. If we multiply 2 by 0.48, we will get this is equal to 0.96 into 10 to the power minus 7, and in the denominator we will get 10 to the power minus 3. 10 to the power minus 7 by 10 to the power minus 3 is 10 to the power minus 4. So this is equal to 0.96 into 10 to the power minus 4 is the magnitude of the magnetic field on the axial line. Unit of magnetic field is Tesla. 10 to the power minus 4 Tesla can be written as 1 Gauss. Therefore, B is equal to 0.96 Gauss. Next, what is the direction of this magnetic field? The direction of this magnetic field is from south to north. Direction is south to north. The direction of the magnetic field is from south pole to north pole. This is the answer for the first question. In the second question, we have to find the magnetic field at a point 10 cm on the equatorial line. Now let us see how to calculate that. we have to find the magnetic field B on the equatorial line. Again, let us consider this is a bar magnet. This is south pole. This is north pole. This is the center of the bar magnet. And this is the equatorial line. On the equatorial line, let us consider a point P. This point is 10 centimeter from the center. So R is equal to 10 centimeter is equal to 10 into 10 to the power minus 2 meter, which is again 10 to the power minus 1 meter. The magnetic field on the equatorial line is given by B is equal to mu 0 divided by 4 pi m by r cube. The magnetic field on the equatorial line is half of the magnetic field on the axial line. That is B equatorial is equal to B axial by 2. This is the formula we are going to use to calculate the magnetic field. B is equal to, we know the value of mu 0 by 4 pi. Mu 0 by 4 pi is 10 to the power minus 7 into m is 0.48. What is R? R is 10 to the power minus 1. So R cube is 10 to the power minus 1 cube. So this is 0.48 into 10 to the power minus 7. 10 to the power minus 1 whole cube can be written as 10 to the power minus 3. 10 to the power minus 7 divided by 10 to the power minus 3 is 10 to the power minus 4. Therefore, this is equal to 0.48 into 10 to the power minus 4. This is a magnetic field at a point 10 centimeter on the equatorial line. Unit of magnetic field is Tesla. 10 to the power minus 4 Tesla can be written as Gauss. So this is equal to 0.48 Gauss. So the magnetic field B is equal to 0.48 Gauss. Now we have to write the direction of this magnetic field. The direction of this magnetic field is from north to south. Direction is north pole to south pole. So this is the magnetic field on the axial line. This is the magnetic field on the equatorial line. Here the direction is from south to north. Here the direction is from north to south. This is the answer for the given problem. If you find this video is useful, please subscribe the channel, share it to your friends. If you have any doubts, comment below. Thank you for watching this video.